On the Edit a Banners category page, we can edit the title of the category. We can edit the alias, the parent, the status, the permissions, the language of the category. We can type in a description for our category. And this screen, if you'll notice, is identical to the Add a Category page. So when we click New in the banners here, when we're editing the banner categories, this is basically the same screen, it's just blank. So when we're looking to add a new banner category, we'll type in that category banner, the banner for the category, give it an alias, or it'll automatically populate one. Go ahead and read this drop down because it's helpful, and this text is the same on pretty much every screen throughout Joomla. We can edit the parent item if we want to start organizing these categories. We can change the status of the category, the access, the permissions, the language. And currently, because it's a new category, there is no ID. We can put the text describing this category for our banners. You'll notice that our editor that we've got loaded is different than the one you might have. This is the JCE editor that's loaded. You're typically maybe using the tiny MCE editor out of the box. That's the default editor, but don't let that confuse you. So you can type in the description for your banner category there. You can give it a created by person just by selecting the users here. You can have some basic options. Does it have an alternative layout? Is there an image associated with this category? Some notes, and then metadata options for the page that might load. Typically, you're not going to. This is going to be a publicly facing page. This is more of a back end for the banner categories and organizing banners in the back end. So you may or may not need or want meta description or keywords. If you want to hide this page from the search engines, you can select robots no index, no follow, and that will write to your robot.txt file and effectively hide this page. At the bottom we have category permissions. This is you can manage the permission settings for specific user groups as to who can access this component and make changes to it. And as mentioned earlier in this video, this is the same screen. When we go click Edit Banners, we have to select one and then click Edit. And so, in a nutshell, we're looking at the exact same screen with content filled in for a pre-existing banner category, and then we can go in and edit whatever we need to, and simply hit Save and Close. You'll notice up here in the top right, we've got Save and Close, Save and New, and Save as Copy in a similar way that we've got in other Joomla screens, and they work exactly the same. So when we close this, and we're on the banners page, if we're going to edit something, edit an existing banner, we need to select it and click Edit. And if we're going to add a new banner, we simply click New, and this is going to bring us to this screen where we can add our new banner, the new banner category, that is. Hope that was helpful.